Hi everyone, this is Bitcoin Brian here, and today we're going to do a video on IMX, Immutable X. I'm so excited to go through this coin. I think big things are going to be happening with this one. So if you could, hit the subscribe button, the like, or the bell notification, leave a comment, all of that will really help us out. Thanks. Today I'm going to be going over IMX, Immutable X. But before I get started, just got to put out the disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. It is my opinions only, and it's for entertainment purposes. So I hope you enjoy. So we're going to get right into it. I'm going over IMX, Immutable X today, and my opinions and thoughts and what I think is going to happen with this coin. So the first thing I found when I was checking out Immutable X is that just a few days ago, a big whale bought some IMX. He bought 9.5 million. I found this article. It stated that this whale purchased $9.5 million worth of Immutable X, and it was moved to a wallet that already contained 15 million. So there's a whale out there that has almost $25 million worth of IMX in just one wallet. So why would a whale be buying this? He must know something or believe in this crypto, which I also believe in it as well. So, so he bought this, which other whales have been buying IMX as well. So I thought that was a big, big thing. Is, you know, smart money, big money. They usually don't make mistakes too often. And with the beginning of the bull market coming up, this person felt a need to go ahead and build up his holdings of Immutable X. So as you can see, this is Immutable X. This is their website. What they do is they're very big into gaming and in Web3 applications. So Web3 is going to be the next big thing. Everything's moving from Web2 to Web3. And this is their website. They're already up and functioning. People can go ahead and build on this website, build on Immutable X blockchain and build their own games. Or there's so many different things they can do. You can see the products they have. They have gaming, a passport wallet, checkout, onboard, and marketplace. They have all these different options for people to go ahead and use. You can develop your own games, and they're big, leading the way with Web3 services in gaming. Very big in the gaming industry, and as we all know, gaming is huge. It's a multi-billion-dollar industry, and it's just going to grow. And everybody wants speed, wants to be fast. They want to go ahead and exchange currency in the gameplay that can relate to real world monetary value. So I think IMX is going to go really big here in the next bull market. You can just see, I mean, they've put a lot of effort and time into their website, into growing their business, and they've been doing all this building through a bear market, which is a big thing. Usually the company that are going to excel in the next bull markets are usually the companies that are going ahead and building and making their brand and their product during the bear market. So when the bull market hits, they're like a rocket ship taking off. It's crazy. So anyway, this is the Immutable website, Immutable X. It looks pretty cool. They have a lot of things to offer, you know. So then I went to my chart, checked out the chart, and you can see right here on this is the daily chart. So it's you know, I have several months up right now, but each candle wick is 1 day of data. And you can see on the 21st and the 22nd of September. So last Thursday and Friday, that's when these whales got in. You can see they bought so much that it drove the price up. You can see this wick went all the way up to like 85 cents. I wonder if this whale market bought. So he had a lot of slippage between maybe bought some of them down at 54 cents and finally got all of his purchase in at 86 cents. So that's a big swing in the market buying, you know, trying to think what they call it again, the spread. So that's a very big spread. It's usually not a good thing to happen. But for people like me and the small time investors, we won't have that effect on the market. Definitely not. But you can see right after they bought it, when it's just immediately went back down and corrected. It's testing right now the 20-day moving average and the 50-day moving average. But I look at this chart and it's not screaming to me buy. It just isn't. Everything's below, everything's roughly running below the 200-day, 50 and 20-day moving averages. You got your volume point of control. Everything's running below it. But I believe in this coin. So I don't think it's going to go much lower. I really don't. We really hit a low spot back here at the beginning of the year when it went down to below 40 cents. I really don't think it's going to ever go back down, at least in the near future, back down to 50 cents. It might hit 50 cents. So I'm actually dollar cost averaging my way in my range. I'm buying between I think it's going to go down a little more. So I'm putting my bids between 53 cents and 50 cents. See what happens. Maybe I'll get lucky. But I'm definitely building a bag of this currency. I really think it's going to go a long way. Definitely. So, and of course, I always go to Gecko, and you can check out the stuff on Gecko here. Right. You can see total supply, 2 billion coins, a little over half of them in circulating supply. Market cap is 678 million. Right now it's ranked number 51. So it's in the top 100. It's a very strong coin. You can see trading volumes really high, a lot of trading. It's a lot of liquidity on this coin. So it's pretty easy to get in and out of, which can be a big thing if you're trading it. I'm building a position to hold, through this bull market and see where we get with it, and you can see right now it's about 58 cents. And you can see here, all-time high back in the peak of the last bull market area was $9.52. So, and right now it's trading at 58 cents. I think that's a huge value buy on this crypto. I think it's big into the gaming industry, like I said, and Web3 apps and things like that. So this is huge, and let's go ahead and look at this right here. They're saying the end of 2024 is going to be $1.31. The end 2025, we're going to see a peak of $4.48. They're thinking probably that's the peak of the bull market. So even with that, I'm just going to pull up the calculator real quick. So even if we went and it goes to $4.48, that's the price projection for 2025. And let's just divide that, and it's at 58 cents right now. We'll check this out. That right there is 770% gain. And over the next year and a half, I'd take that all day long, every day. That's huge. But now, me personally, I think it's going to go higher than that. I think we're going to see this thing skyrocket. So I think it's going to go at the peak of the next bull market. I think it's a good possibility we could hit the all-time high. So let's go ahead and put those numbers in if it did that. So we have $9.52. And from today's price right now, whoops, that's a little too much, not 952, excuse me. But that would be fantastic too. So let's go $9.52. Let's not get super excited, but still excited. And we divide that by the 58 cents, its current price. So if it did hit that, get back to its all-time high, that's a 16 times gain. That's a 1,600% gain. That's huge, so that's what I'm shooting for. But hey, even if it got half of that, that'd be fantastic. So those are the reasons why I really like IMX. I think it's a strong coin. It's been around. It's gone through the bear market building. It's just a great coin, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And I'm definitely going to be looking for buying some more. And if you could, hit the like button, subscribe, bell notification, comment. All of those will really help us out. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.